So, Kelvin doesn't have any friends. Until now. Look, Kelvin, you have friends. Look at that. He doesn't like that. I don't think he likes the fact that there's like 50 of them. So you see these holders here? You see how sparse they are? Look, there's only one log in here. And then you look here, and there's so many sticks. Like, look at that. You could build an entirely new stick holder out of those sticks in that stick holder right there. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna, make a stick factory. And if you think about it, sticks are a great defense, as you can see by... God damn. As you can see, this. Now, this is just a stick, obviously, but if you grab an axe, you can do this. And want to know what it does? And now you've made a spike that you can run into and hurt yourself on. And if you step on it, it'll just disappear. Theoretically, if you grab multiple of these sticks, you can make just a wall of spikes. And even more efficiently, you can make a fence with all of that. And then you can have, well, the ultimate. I just knocked it over completely. Anyways, like I was saying, you can add this and that, and and turn it into a little defense. If I were to make one singular stick holder, I could use a Kelvin and fill this stick holder up. Fuck. Oh. And then just, build another one. And then be the richest man with sticks in the world. So, yeah, let's get started with that. I don't know where I thought of this idea, I just, kind of thought it up. And another fun thing you can do with these kelvins, I think anyways, is they'll build your structures. I think, finished structure, look at that. You can get one Kelvin building, shit. And then I can have the rest of them gathering sticks and useful stuff like rocks. And you can just have a factory of them. And this is a mod, so you can't just enter the game and do this, you gotta download some stuff. Oh, there he goes. They're being created. So I don't have to do anything. I can just make them build stuff for me. So if I wanted to, say, build a lean-to, I could have them build a lean-to. So they'll grab logs from the Kelvin that's currently grabbing logs, and they'll put them into this, and then, it'll start getting created. Which I need to hire more I have an entire civilization of Kelvins here. I gotta make them do something, Oh, one of them have already been completed, and it's already getting filled up. I think I'm gonna sleep. I have to build the walls. which is still a long process of unimaginable proportions. At least I think. I don't know if there's a wall in here you can just pre-build. No. No, there is not, actually. Hold on, let me just grab a quick snack. Okay. So I need even more storage. I can't see a damn thing in this snow. I actually cannot see anything. Health mix plus. I don't have a whole lot of aloe, if I'm being honest here. Fucking ate it, god damn it, dude. Why are you so hungry, man? And that was it as well. Well, never mind. I guess I'm not creating any more health picks. Look at it. Look at how many logs are already in the log holders. And this is just 4 of them. This is only 2 log holders. I mean, I'll complete the 2nd floor as a side quest as well. You're gonna be a head builder, because why not? Here, take this. Yeah, leather jacket. Yep. We got cool Kelvin. Cool as the snow outside. Oh no. That's an issue. Oh, there we go. Some of the kelvins do seem to get inside looking for. No, he's literally just sitting down. Now we have a lot of stick collectors and a lot of log, or I guess a couple log collectors, but sticks and logs aren't the only thing. They aren't the only resource in this game. Rocks also exist as well. Why are they all following me now? Just get back to work. Oh, that's why. I see why now. Oh, that's not good. Big man. Oh my god. Oh god, Kelvin, no. Kelvin! No, not cool, Kevin. Dude, this lag is gonna kill me. No. Fuck your arm. Kelvin, you're fine, Is everyone okay? We got invaded by stinky assholes. And bada bing, bada boom, I have weapon hotkeys. No, you ain't doing shit, asshole. Oof! No, Kelvin! I think I actually hit Kelvin. Oh, you asshole. You big bitch. I cut off his damn leg. Come on, Kelvin, get up, man. The fuck happened here? Oh, that was the one that I threw out. You good, Kelvin? Oh, look at this big, ugly motherfucker. Oh, I like that. Now you can actually see. Now, it's obviously not a perfect strategy, so I'm cannibals will just straight up jump over it all. Hey, wait a minute, I'm not cold anymore. Oh wow, it's... Oh, god damn it. Fuck your life, man. Fuck. No, Kelvin! Come on. Kelvin. Get up, man. Oh shit, no. Not cool, Kelvin. Oh, thank you. Cool, Kelvin. I'm not letting him die. Oh, sorry, Kelvin. Oh, God. Kelvin, I just downed Kelvin with the log. I'm sorry, Kelvin. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna get rid of this. It was just not... It's just not worth it. And now it's just an empty plot. Oh. Oh my god, what the hell is that? Oh! No. Not all my kelvins, bro. Not all my kelvins. Kelvin. Not tuxedo Kelvin. This is awful. I don't have anything else. Fuck off. Oh god, I'm out of ammo. No! I gotta revive him. Tuxedo Kelvin, come on. Come on! You big motherfucker. This is not good. Yeah, I see. I can kind of see that there's an issue here. Kelvin. Oh my god. No. I need my kelvins, please. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my. No, Kelvin, watch out. Oh my god, I'm so slow. Spur. You got out. What even happened? What the fuck even just happened? Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. This is that is... Oh my god. What is that? What is this thing? Fuck you. You hit Kelvin multiple times. Actually, like 50 kelvins. Like, oh my god, bro.
Holy